think it do, man. Twisted Soul, they say you gotta hook up the predictions. Got slack. Well, I think he need to come over a little bit. Yeah. And then straighten it back up. That's it there. He in there. They must have been on the motor. I ain't heard no juice. Okay, back to what I was telling y'all earlier. We got good things and bad things, normal things. But the good is that I got my backpack and I got a battery that's TSA approved, because just for the people that know tickle fits and murder, you know what I'm saying, the backpack that they teach us to get online is this big old fat backpack that can probably last you probably about up to 9 hours. Understandable. But you can't take that. It's like 50,000 milliamps. You can't take it on the plane. You gotta get some. Hey, how you doing, mister? You gotta get something that's smaller. The TSA approved biggest one you could take is 26,800 milliamps. So I had to find one. I had ended up buying one. I bought one. It wasn't no good. Look out! Look out! Oh, okay, that's you in there. You finna do something. Okay, we looking. My boy say I'm doing good for myself. Keep working hard, putting in the time, and hard work pays off. Yeah, that's what they said. That's why I had stayed at it. 88B series. Look out, man. What's the deal? But anyway, back to the story, man. Got these big old batteries. So I end up, you got to get the hookup on fake labels for the battery. Oh, okay. I was figuring that they could read it or something, because they had a picture of it going through the little beep beep, you know, the little thing-a-ling, and they was talking about, yeah, it ain't gonna make it through there. So I was like, you know, trying to follow rules and not have zero problem, because you know I don't like zero problem. And so I went and did that, and I bought another little battery, 26,800 milliamps. I had bought an extra USB to try to plug up the DC cable of the backpack. Man, that thing wouldn't even power up. It wouldn't even charge it. So I had to look online, found another one. And this one was like $90. I had to save up again. Save that up, got that little 90, 96, whatever it costs. Put that on there, and I put that on there, and man, I finally got one today. It came in the mail. I plugged it up. It's TSA approved, and it'll get you on the plane, and it got the plug up so I can plug up. I checked it. It's working. I was betting with you.
Hit him with the boom, goddammit.
Yeah, I
Like
seen it.
Motherfucking ass.
I seen it. So, yeah, I'm glad to get that. But then when I was checking my modems and everything, I seen that one of them modems ain't working. Yeah, what if my modems ain't working? So shoot, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call them back, let them know, hey, one of my modems ain't ready. Okay, the next thing I need to figure out, yeah, I consider using RC or airplane LiPo batteries. They just was too small. And then every time I try to go from USB to the 12 volt, it ain't really, I guess it don't seem to be pumping enough. So it don't seem to be pumping enough juice. I done tried that. Even on the new one that I just got that work with the plug, when I try to go from the USB to it, it don't. That USB to 12 volt ain't no good. It ain't sending me enough voltage. Damn, it seems like he gonna hook. Yeah, they got some suspension work done over there. Look alright too.